Hello, I'm Curtis Cavers. I'm a PhD student with the Department of Soil Science. Yes, I'm studying to be a soils doctor. And today I want to talk about landscape restoration. Ridiculous or revolutionary? The reason we talk about being a soil doctor is because soil health is an important concept that we deal with these days. In particular, soil erosion is one of the major threats to soil health. It's like heart disease. It's the silent killer. It happens so imperceptibly sometimes that people don't know it's a problem until it's too late. So we're looking at ways to try and build topsoil in areas where the topsoil has been removed by tillage, wind, and water erosion. And basically we're trying to find ways to add carbon back into the system. Carbon is what produces soil organic matter, which is the main component of topsoil. That's what gives the soil its dark color at the surface, and it's needed for water holding capacity, for nutrients, and for suitable seed beds for crops to germinate in. So what can we do to build topsoil? We can add additional water through irrigation, we can add more nutrients, we can add more crop residues like straw, we could add livestock manure or compost, but these things, we all have to have a source of that to make this happen. And that's not always readily available and may not always be affordable to do so. So what else could we do to build topsoil? We could change the crops we grow on these areas. We could add or start planting crops that grow at different times, that produce more carbon further in the soil, and see if that's helpful. Basically, those are lifestyle changes in terms of soil health. That's diet and exercise. In severe cases, when we're dealing with eroded hilltops like behind me, the only option on some of these is surgery. And basically then we're looking at what we consider a topsoil transplant, which is what landscape restoration is. It's basically taking topsoil from the lower lying areas of the landscape behind me where topsoils are thick and adding it to the areas up on top where topsoil is missing or very, very lacking. And by doing that, we basically change the level of topsoil that's present overnight and now have a way to have all these lifestyle changes start to become much more effective much more quickly and get our yields increased by doing that. It's not a new concept, but it's a concept that we're trying to reintroduce into the Canadian agricultural system. So hopefully this will have positive repercussions for soil conservation, and it all starts with the soil. So let's see if we can get this happening. Thank you.